Test your brain. Can you answer in 5 seconds? Let's go.
Who was the world's first female prime minister? Correct answer, option A, Sirimavo Bandaranaike.
Next question.
Which is the largest ocean on Earth? Correct answer, option D, Pacific Ocean.
Next question.
Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Correct answer, option C, Mars.
Next question.
What is the capital of Australia? Correct answer, option C, Canberra.
Next question.
Which country is famous for the pyramids?
Comment your answer. Did you get it right? Follow for more.